Hello everyone. In this video, we will see a few more patterns exhibited by square numbers. Let's have a look at the square numbers. So we'll put the square numbers in form of pebbles. And so on. So we know that these are square numbers, and why we call them square, because if you see the shape, it is 3 by 3. So both sides have same number of dots. Same number, 3 here, 3 here, 4 here, 4 here, 4 by 4. And we have seen in the last video that the square name square comes from this shape which has same length of the side. Now, if you remember, we also have talked about triangular numbers. So triangular numbers were, the first one was 1, then we had another triangular number. If you see here, it makes a right angle triangle and isosceles right angle triangle. So sides are equal and it makes a right angle triangle. These are triangular number. Now let's look at a pattern. If I see here, this makes a triangular number as well as this is a triangular number. So this 4 is made up of this triangular number which is 3 and this triangular number which is 1. So it is made up of 1 plus 3. Let's look at this. This is one triangular number which is this, and this is another triangular number which is put upside down. So this plus this. This square number is made up of 3 plus 6. And now if you see here, this one, this is one triangular number and this next another triangular number put upside down. So this is our 6 plus 10. This plus this. Now we can see that square numbers actually sum of two consecutive triangular numbers. This square number 4 is actually sum of 1 plus 3, two consecutive triangular number. This square number 9, it's sum of this and this square number 3 plus 6. And this square number 16 is also sum of these two. There is another pattern there. If you see that 4 is a square of 2. 4 is a square of 2. So we go to the second triangular number and we add one previous triangular number to that. To find square of 2, we go to the second triangular number and add the previous triangular number into that. To find square of 3, we go to the third triangular number and add the previous triangular number in that. 6 plus 3, 9. For square of 4, we go to the fourth triangular number and add the previous triangular number, which is 6, to get square of 4. So that's an interesting property of square numbers. Let's see one more interesting property of square numbers. Let me again write some squares. So these are the squares of these numbers. Between 1 and 4, which numbers which natural numbers are between 1 and 4? 2 and 3. Correct. Between 4 and 9, how many? 5, 6, 7 and 8. 9 and 16. And 16 and 25. Okay. And let's count these numbers. If I count them, I get 2 numbers. Here I get 4. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 numbers. And here how many I am getting? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 numbers. So between 1 and 2, I have 2 non-square numbers. I'll write here. Between 2 and 3, I have 4. Between 3 and 4, I have 6. Between 4 and 5, I have 8. So the pattern here I can see is, if let me call the first number as n and the second number is going to be n plus 1. So if I want to know between the squares of n and n plus 1, how many non-square numbers I have? I have 2n non-square numbers. So n was 1, n plus 1 was 2. Then the non-square numbers were 1 into 2, 2. When n was 2, n plus 1 was 3. The non-square numbers between their squares was 2 into 2, which is 4. When this was 3 and this was 4, between them, they were 3 into 2, 6 non-square numbers. If you can see here, 2, 4, 6. Between 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 2 and 3, 2 and 3, 3 and 4. So square of these numbers and we find the non-square number between them, we get this pattern. So it can be written as there are 2n non-square numbers between squares of n and n plus 1. That's one more pattern. We'll see few more patterns in our next video. I am sure you have liked the video. Hit the like button and leave your views in the comment section below. Do watch our other videos on this topic. Subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to get notifications whenever we upload new videos. You may also download the QTube app at the link provided in the video description. Till we meet again, goodbye.